Welcome to Taj Kitchen, your go-to channel for authentic and flavorful recipes. Today, we're making a mouth-watering mutton biryani that's sure to impress everyone at your table. Let's get started. Begin by heating 300 milliliters of cooking oil in a large pot. Add 5 cloves, half a stick of cinnamon, and 5 cardamom pods. Saute until the spices release their aroma. Next, add 4 thinly sliced onions and cook until golden brown. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 6 to 7 green chilies for that irresistible kick. It's time for the star of the dish, 1.5 kilograms of fresh mutton. Mix well and season with 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. Cook on medium heat until the mutton is tender. To enhance the flavor, add 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, and 5 finely chopped tomatoes. Stir in 1 cup of curd and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Let everything simmer for a few minutes. While the mutton cooks, prepare 1 kilogram of soaked Zeera rice. Cook the rice to 80% doneness, ensuring it's slightly firm. In a large pot, layer the mutton curry and cooked rice. Sprinkle red and yellow food coloring for a vibrant look and garnish with a handful of mint leaves. Cover and steam on low heat for 20 minutes. Your fragrant and flavorful mutton biryani is ready to serve. Garnish with more fresh coriander and enjoy with your favorite raita. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching Taj Kitchen. Stay tuned for more recipes that bring the taste of tradition to your kitchen. See you next time.